a lot of people are curious about all across Arizona. What happens if a massive earthquake hits California and hundreds of thousands of people are forced to evacuate to our state? Here's a map of the massive San Andreas fault line.
That evacuation possibility is something we have to keep in mind. And right now, more than 1,000 people are taking action to prepare for just such an emergency. ABC
15's Katie Connor takes a closer look at the unique training that's happening right here in the valley.
Well, if there is another big earthquake in California, which scientists are predicting, there could be a mass exodus from California with people fleeing for their lives right here to the valley.
Earthquakes can strike at any time. And with scientists saying the next big earthquake in California is inevitable, emergency responders in Arizona are making sure they're ready with this drill.
There would be a hypothetical large earthquake in California resulting in a mass exodus of over 400,000 people.
To help all of those people, they're turning the softball field at Papago's military base into an emergency shelter. These tents borrowed from the VA hospital.
These are typically used as operating rooms in the field.
Inside the tents, workers learn how to help evacuees and get all necessary information.
I just need last name.
The main goal of this drill is to make sure the more than 1,000 agencies and organizations can work together and to spot any potential problems.
Where our systems are stressed when it comes to sheltering, when it comes to feeding, when it comes to fuel, because part of the scenario is a fuel line is compromised in California, which directly affects Arizona.
The scenario, of course, hypothetical, a large earthquake in California, but this could play out in any number of ways.
Colin Williams with Red Cross says their volunteers have traveled from all over the state to take part in this training.
These are volunteers that will respond and set their lives aside to help people in a time of need, and that's very noble.
In Phoenix, Katie Connor, ABC 15, Arizona.
When I first heard about this training, I thought, wait, when is this earthquake supposed to happen?
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's incredible that they're preparing for something that, of course, is hypothetical.
Yeah, it can happen. We remember after Hurricane Katrina, so many people came to the valley and some of them wound up resettling here. So it's entirely possible.